Hello everyone, it's Tutor. So today we are going to be discussing trigonometric ratios. It's very important that we familiarize ourselves with the right-angled triangle. Of course, there are 4 types of triangles, and this is just one out of the 4. So the first thing to know is the name of each of these 3 parts. But like I tell students, only this part, this longest side, is constant. The other parts can be used interchangeably depending on the reference angle. What do I mean? Over here, in this triangle, this is the reference angle, this is theta. And so from this point, you would see that this other part is actually opposite to it. So this line AB is an opposite in this case, while line AC is the adjacent. How do you identify the adjacent? Just look out for where you have the unknown angle and this mark. All right, wherever you have these two, follow that line. It would give you the adjacent. Now, looking at the second triangle here, you will discover that this time around the reference angle is here. So since the reference angle is here in this case, the opposite is here. All right, let's also call this ABC. So this is the opposite, and this time around this is adjacent. And like I said, you will see that this line is where we have the reference angle as well as this sign of perpendicularity. Okay, so that makes it the adjacent. So in order to learn the trigonometric ratios, we recall the acronym SOHCAHTOA. When we say SOHCAHTOA, this SO stands for sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse. The next one, CA, says that cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. As you can see, those are the letters: C for cos, A for adjacent, H for hypotenuse. This one says tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. So with this, you will always be able to decipher which of the ratios to use whenever you are given a particular triangle. So imagine that this is triangle XYZ. All you need to figure out is, with reference to this given angle, what is the position of this 5 and what's the position of X. Now you would see that 30 and 5 are related as opposites to each other. So 5 is an opposite, so we have opposites, while X is an adjacent. And what does that tell us? It means that if you are going to apply anything here, it has to be TOA, because that's the only acronym where we have both O and A being active. Over here AH, over here OH. Only this can be used. So here we can say that tan 30 degrees equals to opposite, that is 5, all over the adjacent. In subsequent videos, I'll share with you how we can calculate more interesting things under this topic. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.